Hey folks, are you still juggling 5 different tools just to complete one research project? Imagine searching relevant literature, speeding up your reviews, creating publication-ready scientific figures, designing professional academic posters, and doing much more all in one place. Meet Yila AI, the all-in-one AI research tool built to help academics work smarter, move faster, and achieve more in 2026. So, let's dive in and see how it works. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. To get started, click the link in the description, which will take you straight to the Yila AI website. Yila AI is essentially an all-in-one research assistant. With it, you can turn raw data into usable research evidence, generate scientific figures, upload academic papers and turn them into academic posters, run literature reviews, convert papers into PowerPoint presentations, and a lot more. Let's log in and take a look at the interface. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which is clean and simple, with a prompt bar where you type in your research topic and an option to upload your own files. Below that, you'll see the core features: literature search, literature reviews, scientific figures, academic posters, PowerPoint generation, data analysis, and more. Everything a researcher needs is right here in one place. Let's put it to the test, starting with literature search. Click on Literature Search, and you'll see a few sample prompts to help you get started, which you can use as a template if you like. For this demo, I'll type my own prompt. Find high-quality papers on AI integration in education published in the last 5 years. Hit Enter, and Yila AI starts searching. Give it a moment to process, and once it's done, you'll see the full results. In this case, 56 academic papers on AI in education listed on the right side of the screen. For each paper, you get the abstract, publication year, citation count, and more. And you can open any paper in a new tab to read further or download individual papers directly. But here's the standout feature. You can export all 56 results as a single Excel file. Let's download it and take a look. Inside, everything is neatly organized by title, authors, publication year, citation source, paper number, URL, PDF link, quality score, and abstract, all in one sheet. For anyone writing a literature-heavy paper, this alone will save you hours of manual work. And since it's downloadable, you can keep it as a reference and revisit any paper whenever you need to. You can also export the same results as a JSON file if you prefer working with structured data. That's literature search in Yila AI. Fast, organized, and ready to use. Next, let's generate a full literature review. Click Literature Review, and again, you'll see prompt suggestions to guide you. I'll go with my own. Generate a literature review on the impact of generative AI on university learning. Hit Enter and the process begins, with Yila AI building the review in 4 steps. Step 1 is confirming the review's scope. You'll see a proposed outline covering the structure and direction of your review, and from here you can approve it as is, revise it manually, or let the AI decide. I'm happy with the outline, so I'll approve it and let it continue. Once approved, Yila AI generates the full review, starting with a detailed abstract, followed by the scope and annotation, then the introduction and the rest of the sections. The result is genuinely comprehensive, including a synthesis table summarizing key themes and findings, and wrapping up with a conclusion and a full reference list. By the end, you'll have 6 separate files generated: the full literature review, an evidence map summarizing supporting evidence, the review outline, and a few supporting documents. You can open and download each one individually, and in just a few minutes, Yila AI has produced a research-backed literature review ready for you to refine and use. Now, let's try generating a scientific figure. Back on the main dashboard, click into the Scientific Figures section, where you'll see example prompts alongside sample figures they've generated. If you click on any example, you can see the exact prompt used to create it, so feel free to copy and adapt one of these. I'll use my own prompt instead. Generate a microservice system topology diagram with a gateway and messaging layer. Hit Enter, and Yila AI will ask you to confirm a few details first: figure type, key elements, relationships between them, and resolution. Once you approve, it starts generating. And here's the result: a clean, detailed microservice topology diagram, ready to drop straight into a paper, report, or presentation. And that's just scratching the surface. Yila AI also handles academic posters, converting papers into slide decks, paper formatting, data analysis, and more. If you're doing academic research, this is genuinely worth trying. The link is in the description, so give it a shot and let me know what you think in the comments. If this was helpful, subscribe for more AI tools built for research and productivity.